Solve the exponential equation for x. In this equation, you can see an expression with x in this exponent and in this exponent. In order to solve the exponential equation, we need to take each x term out of the exponent, combine the x terms, and then solve for x. With exponential equations, the most obvious way to take the x term out of the exponent is to take the logarithm of this expression, and in fact to take the logarithm of both sides of the equation. But you should look for ways of simplifying this process. Here's how. 25 can be rewritten as 5 squared, and this entire expression is raised to the x plus 1 power. And then on the right, 125 can be rewritten as 5 cubed, and this entire expression is raised to the 2x minus 6 power. We can further simplify the term on the left by multiplying the exponents, so we get 5 to the 2 times the quantity x plus 1 power equals 5, and same idea here, multiply the exponents, 3 times the quantity 2x minus 6. Notice that with this form of the equation, both terms have the same base, 5. When you have an equation like this, simply create a new equation with just the exponents. So we get 2 times the quantity x plus 1 equals 3 times the quantity 2x minus 6. On the left, we distribute the 2 to both terms in parentheses to get 2x plus 2. Then we do the same on the right, distributing the 3 to both of these terms, so we get 6x minus 18. To solve for x, we need to remove the 6x from this side of the equation, so we subtract 6x from both sides. And we get negative 4x plus 2 equals negative 18. Next, we subtract 2 from both sides of the equation to get negative 4x equals negative 20. Finally, to solve for x, we divide both sides by negative 4, and we get x is equal to 5. When solving exponential equations, look for ways of rewriting expressions so that you have a common base. When you do that, you can write a new equation using just the exponents.